The southern cassowary uses its powerful muscular legs and razor-sharp claws to deliver bone-breaking kicks, capable of tearing flesh and potentially killing humans during territorial attacks. Ostriches use extremely powerful legs capable of delivering deadly kicks strong enough to break bones and kill dangerous predators. The crowned eagle attacks with explosive speed and enough gripping force to overpower monkeys and seriously injure humans. Golden eagles use crushing talons and deadly aerial momentum capable of snapping bones. The martial eagle soars above the African plains. Its giant talons make it one of Africa's deadliest birds. It strikes with brutal precision. Secretary birds kill using lightning-fast kicks powerful enough to crush skulls instantly. Repeated powerful stomps smash the prey into the ground. Emus use explosive kick force and sharp claws to seriously injure threats. The great horned owl glides silently through the night, its flight nearly soundless. Its giant glowing eyes pierce the darkness, spotting prey with deadly accurate force, making it a perfect night predator.
Bald eagles attack with incredible speed, reaching over 100 mph in a dive. Their powerful talons can exert more than 400 pounds of pressure per square inch, capable of causing severe injuries or instant death to prey.
Its enormous wings allow it to glide effortlessly above the dangerous desert cliffs. Its powerful crushing grip lets it dominate and subdue even the most powerful prey. Its intimidating size makes the Andean condor one of the most feared mountain birds. This is the lammergeier, a master of the skies. With deadly aerial precision, it drops bones from massive heights. The shoebill's crushing beak attacks are powerful enough to instantly kill prey. The mute swan spreads its giant wings aggressively. Their powerful attacks and territorial aggression have seriously injured humans. Silent aerial attacks and deadly talons allow snowy owls to kill prey instantly. The red-tailed hawk prepares for its hunt, its explosive speed making it a dangerous predator. The hawk dives at high velocity, its talons extended for the strike, highlighting its predatory dominance. Attacks at over 200 miles per hour make the Peregrine Falcon the fastest hunter alive. In the brutal Arctic storm, the gyrfalcon's crushing talons and aerial attacks make it a deadly predator. Its powerful grip and swift strikes ensure the prey has no chance of escape. The northern goshawk is fiercely territorial. Intruders near its nest trigger violent, high-speed attacks, with claws slashing through. This extreme aggression often leads to brutal encounters with humans who venture too close.
The Eurasian eagle owl's enormous talons and crushing grip strength can overpower large prey with ease.
This massive African crowned crane aggressively defends its territory in a misty wetland. Its strong kicks and stabbing attacks with its sharp beak make it surprisingly dangerous to humans. The wild turkey uses powerful kicks and sharp spurs to defend its territory. These spurs can badly injure threats during a violent fight. The powerful legs deliver a forceful blow. Territorial Canada geese aggressively defend their space, charging humans. Their powerful wings can strike with force, causing serious injury. Stay alert and keep your distance from nesting geese. Territorial magpie attacks can cause dangerous injuries. Their swoops target the head and eyes with speed. These attacks can result in serious wounds.